Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you download TikTok notes on iPhone or iPad or other iOS device. So guys, if you're using iPhone and want to download TikTok notes app, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection and now you have to go back. Scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to check for iOS update. If you will find any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. So guys, after doing all these settings, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you need to open your app store here. And guys, when you have search here TikTok notes, and guys, you will see here TikTok notes, and guys, now you can see here is no option to download TikTok notes app here. So guys, no need to worry. When I am going to open a Safari browser and when I am going to search here TikTok notes, and guys, you will see that it is launched in Australia and Canada only. So guys, you have to wait for your country. And guys, if you are lives in Australia and Canada, you will be able to download TikTok notes easily without any interruption. So guys, if can't be able to download this app and want to download this app in outside of country, no need to worry. You have to change your app store country and region. And guys, when you have changed your app store country and region to Australia or Canada, and guys, after this you need to search your TikTok notes app and you will be able to download that app easily without any interruption. And guys, if not to do this method, then guys, you need to open any internet browser, and here you need to search TikTok notes and app store. So guys, when you have searched this, you will see here is the option of TikTok notes. When you have click on this, then guys, you will be able to download your TikTok apps, TikTok notes app directly from app store when you have click on this tab. And guys, your problem will be fixed because I have not selected my country and region, Canada or Australia. When you have select this, then guys, you can easily download your app. So guys, this is the easy way to download your TikTok notes app. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.